Hello everybody, this is my Tamiya TT-01, maybe an E, I don't know which version it is. I tried to make a drift video for everyone, but I couldn't get the speed control to behave. I'm not sure if it's the speed control or the motor, but I did a little research and the speed control might be out of calibration because this is a Toro ESC 50 amp. And you can recalibrate it when you hold down the power button. If you hold it down too long, it'll go into a mode where you can reset the calibration, like that. So we're going to redo that, but let me grab the controller first. How's it, everybody? All right. This is supposed to be part 2 of my RC drift car video. Like, remember, this is the Tamiya TT-01 E, I think. Shoot, I forget. Tamiya TT-01. I have one that's just a regular one. I have one that's an E, and there's like only a few little differences. This probably isn't the E. I think what has happened is my son had accidentally recalibrated the ESC. So this will be a Toro ESC 50 recalibration instructional video. Don't know if it applies to any other speed control brand, but because I couldn't figure out why I just can't get it to go. And I think my son accidentally, when you turn it on, there's a little button and you hold it down for like a quarter of a second and it turns on, but he might have held it down long enough that it would enter calibration mode, and then he got it all out of sync for the neutral, the forward point, and the reverse point. So we're going to try and do it. Supposedly, you hold the button down and you keep holding it down until it starts going into beeping mode. Okay? Right? It's in beeping mode. We have this. We're going to set the neutral point on the controller to 0 for this model. So it's the TT-01, and the trim for channel 2, which is the less important channel, is set to neutral. Okay? So then we're going to, it's neutral, we'll press once. So that's neutral. Okay? And we're going to go full throttle. And then we're going to press it one more time. And then we're going to go full brake. Press it one more time. And we hold it in neutral. And then now it's blinking, and the little light is blinking, and oh, we're going to resume this how to do a drift car video now. Oh, snap. Okay, I need to get a piece of double-sided tape. I did bring down the alcohol. So we're going to clean the surfaces. Some rubbing alcohol, a little cute cotton ball, so we'll get a good stick, even though there's a little smegma there. Oh, yeah, let me get the double-sided tape. Oh, I'm so excited. Did it really fix it? Hold on, the real test is, let me turn it off. Let me unplug it. Oh, the kid's going to be so happy. This is his favorite RC car because it's fast. I'll show it to you after. Okay, plug it back in. Turn it back on. Wait. Beep, beep. And, oh yeah. Oh, but there's no reverse. That's right, I reprogrammed it in the last video, damn it. We'll have to reprogram it. Let me get the upside tape first. Ooh, I'm so excited. So excited, yes. Oh, I'm so excited. You have no idea. I lost so much time trying to figure this out. I was about to like replace this speed control and throw it away. That's how dumb I am. Okay, double-sided tape. Oh, this is going to be good. Now, the benefit to this type of blue one, don't get the one with the red. It's hard to peel the thing off. The blue one is really easy to put on, but it has the side effect of if you crash really hard, it can let go. So, it's a win or lose. Oh, I need to find some body pins. I don't know what I did with all the body pins. There was some confusion there. Oh yeah, snappity snap snap. I'm just gonna put two body clips so keep it in place. I'm not gonna really crash the car. Oh my god, my son's gonna be so excited. Oh yeah. Okay, Tamiya TT-01 drift car comparison. Okay, what's funny is these two cones came from a Paw Patrol police vehicle. And they're like so perfect for RC car. Okay. Actually, this TT-01 drifts kind of good for a little. Now I know why the kids use it, but it definitely doesn't brake good because it's got too tall of a... Oh, there's no reverse. Yeah, and then again, let me get the yokomo out since that one is the best one in my opinion. And this one doesn't have a good battery, so. Well, I'm super excited. I got the car fixed. The boy's gonna love it. I'm gonna take these drift tires off, and I'll show you that it's stupid fast. Okay, here's a hack I'm gonna teach you. You can have this one. This is a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It takes off all the scratches from when you crash. I mean, if you rub the paint off, you rub the paint off, but you know, the paint's still there. Like that ain't coming off, but with this, it's almost like they should polycarbonate coat real cars. And then all you need to do to polish it is get a magic eraser. I guess this is the thought behind some types of PPF for cars. Okay, that's good enough.